Hello YouTube and welcome to my Discord bot tutorial. We're going to go ahead right here and type this into the console. We're just going to let this install real quick. This is a library. You don't have to really worry about it that much. So yeah, just copy and paste this in here and we're going to go back to the console. We're going to type in node main and that's going to start the bot. If you don't have node installed, you better install that too. So yeah, we're gonna pull up Discord here, and we're just gonna type in ping, and it pongs. Yeah. So thank you for watching. Wait. The video isn't over. So you probably clicked on this video searching for a guide on creating a Discord bot. Well, that's exactly what this video is going to be: a guide on creating a Discord bot from scratch. So you see, when I was searching on YouTube for a video on creating a Discord bot, I saw plenty of videos all using the same exact library, discord.js. And I have nothing against this library, but I saw some videos titled Creating a Discord Bot from Scratch. And I thought it'd be interesting to see exactly what it would take to create a Discord bot from actual scratch, not from downloading someone else's pre-made code, but actually creating our own code that connects to Discord servers. So if you are searching for a simple guide on downloading a library that someone else has made, then I will link a really good guide in the card up above. However, if you are looking to challenge yourself and to learn something while making a Discord bot, then you've come to the right place. Hello, I'm Ziggly, and welcome to my Discord bot from scratch series. What I cannot create, I do not understand. Richard Feynman. Okay, so you might be saying, but Ziggly, can I even follow the series if I'm only just a beginner? Definitely. I urge you, even if you are a beginner, to follow along in the series. Sure, you might not understand everything and you might not know everything that we're going to talk about, but that's exactly what the series is for. I'm going to explain everything that we need in detail, and if you don't understand something, feel free to ask in the comments, or you can message me on Discord. Link in the description below. Another thing you might be wondering is, well, what language are we even using for this series? And that's the thing, this series is completely language agnostic. You can follow the series in any language that you want: Python, JavaScript, Go, Rust, Ruby, any of them. And while these videos are language agnostic, I'll be doing everything in Go. Why Go, you might ask? Well, mostly because I'm interested in learning it, and what better way to learn a language than to build something with it? Okay, so now that we got all of that out of the way, let's talk about what we need to do. So a working Discord bot has a couple of things. It receives new events from Discord, like when you type a message, when you send a message, when a message gets deleted, edited, etc. All those are events that are from Discord that we need to be able to read. And whenever we send a message, we want the bot to be able to respond to said message, so we'll need to be able to send a message. And we'll also need to have the bot stay connected, because what good is a bot that just goes offline every time you start it up? So those will be our basic requirements for a Discord bot. And let's not get too fancy. Let's not add databases. Let's not add any special things to our bot. We're just trying to get the functionality working, and then we can add all these extra stuff in later. And now that we know what we want our bot to do, let's dive into the Discord documentation and see how we can actually achieve those things. Gateways are Discord's form of real-time communication over secure WebSockets. Clients will receive events and data over the gateway they are connected to and send data over the REST API. That's awesome. Now we know how to fulfill those first two requirements. But it does look like we're going to have to learn about WebSockets and REST APIs. But we'll worry about that later. Let's look for that third requirement, staying connected. So I did some more digging around, and on the gateway page I found a section called heartbeating. And under this section it says, the client should now begin sending opcode 1 heartbeat payloads every heartbeat interval milliseconds until the connection is eventually closed or terminated. And that gives us the final requirement of staying connected to the Discord servers. Okay, so now that we've found how to solve all of our basic requirements for our bot, let's discuss what we're actually going to have to learn in order to achieve those. We're going to need HTTP, REST APIs, WebSockets. We're going to have to learn the Discord documentation, and we're going to have to learn how to implement that into our programming language of choice. And I say that because I'm not even sure if Go has a built in WebSocket library that I can use. And it definitely doesn't have a Discord WebSocket library that I can use. And I'm not sure about REST APIs, so we're going to have to see about that. Also, it mentioned something about secure WebSockets, so we might have to learn a little bit about HTTPS and how we're going to be able to do that. So, I encourage you to follow me on my journey of creating a Discord bot from scratch. In the description, I'll be including GitHub links that are related to the project. I'll try to comment my code to the best of my abilities and comment exactly what I'm thinking as I'm typing that code. But I am kind of a bad commenter and I forget to document a lot of my code. So if you see something that needs documented, please let me know. And that's going to be it for this first video. I'm so sorry that we didn't get to jump into any code yet, but there's just so much groundwork that needed to be established beforehand. I needed to talk about the series and which language we're using, well, which language I'm using. I needed to talk about the basic requirements for a Discord bot, how we're actually going to achieve those through the technologies such as HTTP, REST APIs, etc. And it's already running long, so I didn't want to jump into any code in the last 3 minutes. So if you enjoyed the video, make sure to hit that subscribe button so that you can be notified when I upload a new video in the series. Hit the like button if you enjoyed this kind of content and you want to make something from scratch. Dislike it if you don't want to make something from scratch, and tell me in the comments exactly why. But in any case, I'll see you guys in the next one.